Hey everyone, welcome back to Laratips. In today's video, we are looking at 3 different ways to retrieve a model from a route parameter in Laravel. Each method shows the same user profile view, but the approach and the cleanliness of your code changes. So let's dive right in. First up is the manual query. We grab the route parameter as an ID, run a findOrFail, and then pass the user to the view. It works, but the extra query code lives right inside the route. Now let's move to the implicit model binding. We type in the parameter with user. The Laravel automatically fetches the model whose ID matches the user segment of the route. If no record is found, Laravel sends a 404 not found. No any extra code is needed for that. Now, explicit binding with route model. Register once, usually in app service provider boot method, and Laravel resolves the user parameter to a user model automatically, even without a type hint. Request users/1 and you will get the user with the ID 1, and the missing records still show 404 not found. So just to recap, manual query works but clutters the route. Implicit binding, clean, automatic, and 404 on missing records. Explicit binding with route model, one-time registration and flexible. And you can use any one of these as per the requirement of your application. That's it for today's tip. If it helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more Laravel goodness. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.